Greetings everyone, and in today's video I'm going to try to explain as simple as possible how you can qualify for the ELYS or ELYS airdrop without actually investing any money at all. What you need to do is consistently perform some tasks on their testnet, and this is a decentralized exchange with some other features that as of now are quite limited because we're in a relatively early stage of the testing period. So all these features that you see here are not yet live, and that makes things a lot easier for us. Now the first thing that you want to do is that you want to check the link in the description, the link that is marked number 1, which actually takes you to another page than the one you see here, and I have it here. This is the page you're going to where you want to connect your Discord, preferably your Telegram. I haven't done that. And you want to connect your X or former Twitter account here as well. And you also need to connect with your either Leap wallet or Keplr wallet, which is Cosmos compatible Web3 wallet. Now, since I already have it on this browser, I'm going to show you what it looks like if you don't have it on your browser. Then it would look something like this. Now, of course, if everything worked well, you could just click here and install either the Leap or the Keplr. It's probably easier if you use Keplr, even though it doesn't really matter, but there are reasons why I'm actually starting to like the Leap wallet more and more. Thing is, I don't have the Leap wallet on this particular computer. Now, since this is a little bit overwhelmed, this site, I suggest that you go to Keplr instead and download the wallet. It's keplr.app. There is a link in the description as well, so you can just click on that one. You install Keplr. You make sure that you keep your seed phrase safe in a way so that you have access to your seed phrase but nobody else. You have to do some verification that you actually saved your seed phrase, and yeah, you create a password and so on and so forth. Once you've done that, you're basically done with this page for now. Of course, you can do these missions where you get points for performing some tasks, and you can tweet it and so on. And yeah, joining Discord and joining X, that's some people find that a little bit tedious, but it's worth it. Now, next up, you go to another page, and this is the actual test page, and that is link number 2 in the description. Here is where you are going to connect your wallet again with, in my case, it's the Keplr wallet. The first thing you want to do is you want to click on deposit, and it's this blue little knob here. You want to claim testnet tokens. I hope I'm eligible now. Maybe if enough time has passed. Yes, I am. So if you get this green, yeah, then you will receive a little bit of testnet tokens, which will show up in, well, you can actually see it in the dashboard here, or you can go to swap, and you can see in your ELYS wallet you have some ELYS, and you can also see in your USD account you have some USD. Sometimes it takes a little while before it updates. Now what you want to do is you want to do some swaps here, as many as possible. Keep in mind you want to keep a little bit of ELYS all the time. So if you swap ELYS to, let's say, Atom, you swap half of your ELYS, receive Atom. Of course, you have to approve in your wallet, and after you do that, you're supposed to get a little bit of Atom balance here. Transaction successful, yada yada yada. Then you can swap Atom back to, let's say, USD. You can swap all your Atom, you can swap all your USD, but make sure you always keep a little bit of ELYS because that's for gas fees. which may or may not be important in this particular instance, but you should always do that as a rule of thumb on any blockchain that you're on. The main cryptocurrency, which is used for gas fee, you always have to have a little bit of it. And I'll talk more about that later on. So you want to do some swaps, so you want to make sure that you swap between each asset here. There's only 3 of them. So you want to swap between ELYS Atom, you want to swap between Atom USD, and you want to swap between USD and ELYS. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to simple staking. That's on earn. You click earn, click manage, and you have some USD. Now, you want to make sure that you don't stake all your assets, but in this case, with USD, it actually doesn't matter, and I'll show you why it doesn't matter. So I'm going to stake all my USD here, because why not, right? Now, the good thing about USD, which is different from ELYS staking, is that ELYS staking has a bonding period of 14 days. That means that if you stake it, you won't get those ELYS back until 2 weeks have passed after you unstake it. So if you need more ELYS for the sake of making more tasks here because you're running low, yeah, you're gonna have to wait until you can get more from the faucet, or yeah, these 14 days until your unstaking period or your bonding period is over. But with USD, there is no such bonding period. I'll show you this here. I can actually go to manage. I can click unstake, and I have in this case $130. So I'll unstake $10. And luckily, this will get into my wallet right away, and I can keep doing all other kinds of tasks. Now, you want to have some USD staked, you want to have some ELYS staked, and after a day or 2, you are going to be able to claim rewards. Now, here's an interesting thing about ELYS. ELYS has 2 different tokens. It's the ELYS token and it is the Eden token. The rest of the tokens are not specific for ELYS per se. They're just part of either the Cosmos ecosystem or crypto ecosystem as a whole, like USDC. You can find it on basically every blockchain, or well, most serious blockchains, I should say. And what you want to do after a few days or maybe a day has passed is that you can click on dashboard. You can click claim rewards. And as you can see, the staking rewards from staking USD and from staking ELYS is that you get Eden. So you claim your rewards, you get some Eden, and we're waiting for this to happen. Yes. And once you have claimed Eden, you go to earn again, simple staking, and here you want to do both Eden. You want to stake Eden. It's just a tiny proportion, doesn't matter. You just want to do the transactions. So you stake Eden and you want to do commitment. You want to do the well, that's the commitment. You want to do the Eden boost. So max boost as well. And basically what you want to do in this type of airdrop is that you want to find as many different tasks as possible, and you want to at least do them once or twice every day. Now, if you can spam them many times, more than that, then maybe that's going to give you a better airdrop. It's very different to know exactly what you need to do in order to qualify or in order to get a max allocation in this type of airdrop. But what you want to do if you feel that you want to be more engaged in this is that you want to join their Discord and you want to ask them and try to understand how can you be valuable to the ELYS team? How can you help the project? What makes you valuable so that they are incentivized to give you a better airdrop? You just have to try to figure that out, right? And normally what you want to do is you just want to use this as much as possible. You want to use as many features as possible, which today, luckily, if you're new to it, so you don't have that many options to choose from. So it's not going to be that overwhelming. You're going to have some time to get into it. But, Participating in anything that is announced in the Discord is most likely going to get you rewarded one way or another. And yeah, hopefully this is going to help you get into cryptocurrency, get into the Cosmos ecosystem, help you understand how to use a decentralized exchange with a variety of different features aside from the DEX itself. And we'll go from there. I'll probably update you with another video down the line once there is more to talk about. And if I missed something, if there is something important that you should do as well, let me know in the comment section, because I'm not editing any of that of this video. Nothing here is planned or editing. So if I miss something, there's no way going into Vegas and fix it later on. So yeah, share your thoughts in the comment section. Help me out with what I missed, and good luck.